This is 133 Langley. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 townhouse. It's a 4-unit building. And let's get some lights on here. Okay, so we have a little hallway, and then off to the left is the kitchen. And there's a little area over here where you could have some shelves or something. You have a fridge. Lots of cupboard space in these units. Again, they used to be the base housing for Dow Air Force Base when it was here. And then when Dow Air Force Base pulled out in 1968 and it became Bangor International Airport, then different owners bought up the property, different buildings, different properties, and light switch here. And so there's different owners, and we actually manage several different properties here or find tenants for the different owners. So this is the living room, dining room combination. It's actually a very large room. It does have nice laminate hardwood floors. Down through the hallway. And here's the door that goes out into the backyard. Has a little tile there. Little puppy lives next door. Not puppy, actually. Little dog. Have a little stoop out here that you could have a gas grill. And they actually do mowing and plowing here. Doesn't look like the lawn has been mowed recently, but again, here's a good view of the living room, dining room. And then here in this little hallway, there's a double closet. And then there's also some cupboards up above for storage. Things that you might not use very often. And then over here is the basement. So this is a nice feature because it's great for storage. Has concrete floor and walls. Actually pretty clean, dry. Looks like these guys have a drum set down here, storing a bike. There's some shelves over here that are built in. And here's your washer dryer hookup right here. So again, it is a pretty decent size. So there are some students living here right now, but they're kind of non-traditional. They're a little bit older. And then this is the half bath. So it's kind of convenient to have a bathroom on the first floor. Has a medicine cabinet. And of course the toilet. And then right around the corner here, the stairs that goes up to the second floor. And again, up here you do have the nice hardwood floors. And this is the full bath. So this tub surround has been replaced fairly recently. And again, it has a shower. And then another feature of the bathrooms here is the linen closet, which is pretty deep. So there's lots of space in there. You can kind of tell. And then this is a medicine cabinet mirror. Your lighting. And the vanity. And the flooring in here is pretty new too. And then you do have 3 bedrooms. All pretty good size. They are, this is the smallest one actually, but it actually, let me show this. This is, looks like a full-size bed. Still plenty of room for a computer desk. This one does have a regular size closet. That's how I know it's the smallest, but it does have a regular size closet. So the other ones have double closets. This is the second bedroom. Again, really decent size. And this has the double closet. Turn the overhead light on. So this has a double closet. And again, this has the cupboards up above so that you can store things up there. And then there's a linen closet out here. Another linen closet, or whatever you want to use it for storage. There's a mirror right there, but it has shelves all the way up and down. And then this is the third bedroom. I think this is actually the larger one, but again, they're pretty much similar in size. This is a pretty large desk that they have in the corner. Yep, they have a smaller bed, and then there's plenty of room over here. And again, it's the double closet, double doors, and the storage up above. So I think that is about it. Completes the video tour of 133 Langley Street. That's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse in Bangor. If you do have any questions, you can contact us at 207-974-6606, or you can visit our website at rentbangor.com.